Hi everyone. We're moving on to a new painting pretty promptly here. I went out to the mountains and got some macro photography on the side of the hillsides there. So there's this photograph which is not coming across so perfect. It's just the rough photograph. It's got a background to it where the things behind it are fuzzy. So we're starting with the background and the things behind are fuzzy. And there's a gradient happening. I think I still need to brighten it up. You can see that same gradient in here. It's bright down at the bottom, which is unusual. Usually it's more bright. Well, it's not that unusual. So anyway, I'm breaking all the rules today because on my palette, here's the palette for this painting so far. We've got a ultramarine blue, which is very different from the other blues we've used last week. It's got more of a purple tint to it. There's a little red in that blue. And then I've got an oxide green and then two yellows. So when you work with yellow and white, yellow makes white alive. And so I'd like to make it alive in a couple of different ways. We've got the, it's got to be alive in the background. And then also the flowers are very light and bright. So I've decided that there's going to be two yellows and two reds. Got a magenta and a cadmium red and titanium white, which I'm going to run across here. So yesterday I painted the gradient and started to work the background. I'm going to go from back to forward for this painting. And I hope you have a groovy day. Bye.